Nexo Crypto Savings App. The pros, the cons. The Nexo Crypto Savings App lets users earn interest on their cryptocurrency and stablecoin holdings, turning idle assets into a potential income stream. Most people get this wrong by assuming crypto savings accounts are like traditional banks, but the surprising truth is that Nexo offers higher yields, flexible access, and rewards in both crypto and fiat. On the pros side, the app offers up to 12% annual interest on stablecoins and competitive rates on popular cryptocurrencies. Interest compounds daily and is paid out weekly, giving users immediate visibility of their earnings. The platform allows flexible withdrawals without penalties, and users can earn higher rates by opting for Nexo's native token, Nexo. Security is robust, with insurance coverage on custodial assets and two-factor authentication. On the con side, rates vary depending on the asset and market conditions, so earnings are not guaranteed. Some features, such as higher yields with Nexo tokens, require users to hold and lock Nexo, which might limit flexibility. Beginners might also need time to understand the difference between crypto volatility and interest returns. In conclusion, the Nexo Crypto Savings app is ideal for crypto holders seeking passive income with flexibility. While interest rates fluctuate and token-based rewards require commitment, the platform's security, ease of use, and daily payouts make it a strong option for both newcomers and experienced users.